Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix unable to join friends party in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is simply just uninstall, or not uninstall, just close the application. And once you close the application, so once you basically close the game, just simply restart your PC right after. And then once the PC is back on, you can obviously restart your PS5 as well, or Xbox as well. But either way, once you turn it back on, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is simply either go to multiplayer or zombies, wherever you want to invite them. Just click on the gear icon right next to invite player. From invite player, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your party settings are set to open. Because if by chance it is set to closed, nobody will be able to join you, even if you invite them, and you won't be able to join anyone else. Actually, no, you will be able to join people, but they're not going to be able to join you. So just make sure that it's either set to open or invite only. You can also set it to friends only and friends and channel. It doesn't really matter. But as long as it is one of these four, then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Once you have all of these things done, you guys should be good to go. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.